It's been a while, and you might have been wondering, where did he go? Is he lost? Well, I'm still here, and July sucked. It marked the 1 year opening of my shop, but it was met with doom and gloom. Not gonna lie. The laptop that I was using just decided to eat the SSD that had everything related to the shop, some personal stuff, all the things that I've used for editing, footage that I've had for the DSs, like everything. It died. And I crashed out. It was not a good time. I scoured on it to see who can fix it, as the controller died and it makes a hissing sound when you plug it in. That's when I found Pitts Global. But it was gonna end the way that I like. I didn't have the funding needed for what they were asking for. And that's when I just told myself, I did it once, I can do it again. So August came and it was time to rebuild. I got a new laptop, recovered old models to remake the last revisions of the new ones, recovered some Gerbers to remake the files for all the PCBs that I've designed. It was a time of resetting. All of the 3D models for the mods are good to go. The PCB design for the Famicom mod is getting some updates, and I've got everything backed up on an NAS. The PS2 mod will still be on hold for a while I work on remaking videos for all the DS mods that should have been out at this point. And there's a bunch of other things that I just have to get at, but at least all the big fires are out. A number of you guys have been, messaging me in the comments and whatnot. You guys who've been supporting me through the madness that I've been going through. You guys are the MVPs. It's helped me get through it better than I would just, normally would alone. So really, just thank you. Thank you for your support and, just sticking by me through this. I do have your support backing me up, and I appreciate it. Yeah, I just want to get you guys up to speed. So, yeah, thanks for watching.